Hello, it's Dr. Bove, aka Captain Crunch, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be adjusting Eric, and Eric has been a patient of mine since he was like 8 years old. And sometimes people always ask me, kids get adjusted with this like surprised look. And the reality is, he's sitting in a classroom all day with crappy posture, carrying around a book bag, and then goes home and does crazy stuff on a bicycle or whatever. So yeah, kids do get adjusted. Now, he's not a kid anymore, as you can see. All right, so enjoy our video. All right, we're going to go through a full spine adjustment today, and yeah, he's amazing and awesome, and you'll see. All right, brother, hop on facing down. Beautiful. Now, since Eric's been a patient for so long, I know his body quite well. Here, this area is problematic for him, and same with the low back. Sometimes periodic headaches too. So definitely we need to adjust this area. Definitely this right SI joint and pelvis will adjust as well. All right, and then we'll flip him over and check his neck. All right, take a deep breath in. Good, let it all the way out. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, turn on your side facing me. Oh, nice. Thanks for the workout. Okay, flip all the way over to the other side. Good job, Eric. Thank you. That was better. Okay, go ahead on your back facing up. Gravity is mean. It's always compressive, or decompression. My favorite adjustment here, we're going to hug. To this upper back. Perfect. All right, let me have these arms. Same. Stretching out. Making them taller. Putting them on the rack. Beautiful. Beautiful. Like music to my ears. Oh, fantastic. Perfect. All right, come on up and have a seat facing away. Double check everything. Perfect. In line, moving. Yeah. Good. In line, moving. Well, thank you, Eric. Thank you, as always, for coming in, caring for your health. You're a young man still, but you invest, you engage, come in periodically to stay in good shape and stay in good alignment. So I'm very appreciative always.
Well, thank you.
Sure. All right, brother. Great job. Yeah. You did great.